Want to stop stressing about money? Let's build a budget that actually works for you. In 2025, with the cost of living rising fast, budgeting is more important than ever. A good budget isn't about restriction, it's about direction. It helps you reach big goals, like buying a home, traveling more, or even retiring early. It also lets you see exactly where your money is going, so you can cut back on what doesn't matter and spend more on what does. Start by looking at how much you earn and how much you spend. Use a budgeting app or even a simple spreadsheet. Break your expenses into categories: needs, wants, savings, debt. Track your spending for a full month to get a clear, honest picture. What do you want financially 6 months from now, 5 years? Write down your goals and prioritize them. Then break big goals into small, doable milestones. Each one is a step forward. Now build a budget that aligns with your goals. Try the 50/30/20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. But remember, your life, your rules, adjust the percentages based on your unique situation. This is where consistency wins. Use apps that track your spending automatically and send reminders. Review your budget every month. Make adjustments. Stay flexible. And most importantly, celebrate the small wins. Every step counts. You don't need more money, you need a better plan. And now you've got one. Need more information? Comment below.